It's the 4th of May today, around I guess 2 in the afternoon in my garden on the north end of Salt Spring Island, and the wind just sort of picked up, came out of nowhere. Beautiful out here though. It's around 13 degrees Celsius, and I'm just going to get outside and get some fresh air. I've been resting a lot this last week. Bananas are slow this year because it's been cool, but they will pick up. And once they do, they just explode with growth. I'll open a leaf a week. Eucalyptus trees blowing. Younger tree fern pushing out fronds. Warm and blustery spring day on Salt Spring Island. Amazing how sheltered it is at the back of the house here, eh? Tree fern's barely moving. That's why it always does so well there. Very nice out here. I think I'm going to sit outside now on one of those loungers down there. I'm sick and tired of sitting and laying around in the house. Resting, I'm going to rest out here right now. Sun kind of bothers my eyes, so put the sunglasses on. Love the sound.